I have a question for you. What do you see when you look at this painting? Do you see hope? Do you see new life dawning in the east? Do you see the promise of a glorious future? What do you see when you look at this painting? In the distance, on top of a hill, we see the majestic figure of Jesus Christ. The sun is rising behind him, casting its golden rays over the landscape and illuminating the majestic figure of the Son of God. His arms are wide open, not in a gesture of defeat, but in a powerful stance, an invitation, an embrace. Behind him is the old world, the world that he has come to save. And below him are the people from different nations and different cultures gathered together as one. They are the people that he has come to seek and to save. And they are responding to his call. They're coming to him from every direction. And when I look at this painting, when I consider what it means, I am overwhelmed with a sense of hope. I see the dawning of a new day. I see the promise of a glorious future for all who put their trust in Jesus Christ. And let me ask you this, friend, what do you see when you look at this painting? When you think about what it means, do you see hope? Do you see new life dawning in the east? Do you see the promise of a glorious future for all who put their trust in Jesus Christ? Well, if you do, if you see hope, then hold on to that hope. Let that hope inspire you, motivate you, encourage you to keep going, to keep moving forward, no matter how difficult things might seem right now. Because this painting, this vision, this revelation that John was given on the island of Patmos, it tells us that no matter how dark things might seem, no matter how difficult things might be, Jesus is in control, and he has overcome the world. So we can overcome anything that we face in this life if we will trust in him. If we look to him for help, if we look to him for strength, if we look to him for guidance, if we look to him for the power to overcome anything that we face in this life, he will give it to us. Why? Because he loves us. He loves you. He loves me. He loves all of us, and he has promised that he will never leave us nor forsake us. Friend, when you look at this painting, what do you see? I see Jesus. I see the hope that he brings. I see the glorious future that he has for all who put their trust in him. And I want you to see it too. Take a moment to look at this painting. Look at Jesus. Look at the hope that he brings. Look at the glorious future that he has for you if you will only trust in him.